Crime mapping. Crime mapping is a powerful tool used by law enforcement agencies, researchers, and policymakers to understand the geographic pattern and trends of criminal activities. It involves plotting crime data onto maps to visualize where crimes occur, identify hotspots, and analyze crime trends over time. This technique helps in making data-driven decisions for crime prevention, resource allocation, and community safety improvements. The process of crime mapping begins with the collection of crime data. Law enforcement agencies record detailed information about criminal incidents, including the type of crime, data, time, precise location.
Benefits of crime mapping. Identification of hotspots. One of the primary advantages of crime mapping is the ability to identify crime hotspots, areas where crime is concentrated or recurring. These hotspots are typically visualized as concentrated clusters of crime incidents on a map. Analysis of crime trends. Crime mapping allows for the analysis of crime trends over time, such as shifts in types of crime committed. Example, an increase in property crimes or violent crimes, or seasonal fluctuations. Resource allocation. Crime mapping aids in the optimal allocation of resources by providing real-time data on crime distribution. By understanding where and when crimes are happening, police department can assign officers, resources, or tools to arrest where they are most likely to make an impact. Community engagement. When residents can see where crime is happening in their neighborhoods, they are better equipped to take protection, report suspicious activity, and work with law enforcement. Evaluation of interventions. Crime mapping allows law enforcement and policymakers to evaluate the effectiveness of interventions